Starting around 06 October 2023, Chilliz sort of is exchanging at $0.060 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11% in very most recent 1 hour in an exceptionally significant manner. CHZ for the most part has an extremely all-out market cap of $445,689,693, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $29,342,409, which truly is very critical. This essentially makes Chilliz, CHZ, truly positioning at 71 in the digital currency market. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chilliz basically be truly worth in 2023, which explicitly is very huge. Is Chilliz a sort of wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking? Will CHZ cost truly outperform its untouched high, which truly is genuinely critical? These truly are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ''S' future, so this generally makes Chilliz, CHZ, certainly positioning at 71 in the digital money market, which essentially is genuinely huge. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023. As per the Chilliz conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost truly is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of $0.091, the normal especially least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to really be $0.088, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Besides, CHZ can generally arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0.097 in an extremely significant manner. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chilliz in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.080, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086, which explicitly shows that Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chilliz in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082 in an unobtrusive manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to, in every way that really matters, be around $0.083 in an especially enormous way. CHZ value figure October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Chilliz basically is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.082, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The CHZ cost could generally arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.089, with the truly normal cost around $0.085, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Chilliz, CHZ, value gauge November 2023. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost for November 2023 may by and large arrive at the very least worth of $0.085, while the for the most part greatest gauge cost truly is around $0.093, pretty further appearance how Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023, as per the Chilliz figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the CHZ cost is supposed to generally cross a very normal value level of $0.091, the normal pretty least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $0.088, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The especially normal cost for CHZ basically is for the most part anticipated to truly reach $0.088 in November 2023, which in every way that really matters is very huge. CHZ value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz essentially is gauged to, in every practical sense, be at around a really least worth of $0.088, which explicitly is very huge. The Chilliz value worth can truly arrive at a sort of limit of $0.097, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars in a kind of large way. Chilliz kind of past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been in a real sense diminished by 1.81% in its exceptionally current worth, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Assuming we especially look at the fundamentally current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down. Certainly further appearance how in the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chilliz by and large be in every way that really matters? Worth in 2023 in an unpretentious way. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the CHZ sort of was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.8%, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz truly has shown exceptionally in every practical sense, solid truly potential of late, and this could be by and large great chance to dive right in and for the most part put resources into an extremely enormous way without a doubt. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ sort of diminished by 57.368%, killing an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.080 from its kind of current worth. So starting around 06 October 2023 Chilliz sort of is exchanging at $0.060 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be in every practical sense really great generally purchase an open door for pretty fast venture, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 56.75%. And the cost for the most part flowed from a sort of least in every way that really matters, normal cost of 13 cents to by and large greatest kind of normal cost of 14 cents in the kind of beyond 90 days in an exceptionally significant manner. Chilliz sort of is somewhere near 42.97% with the truly greatest truly normal cost of the coin truly was around 11 cents and the very least fundamentally normal cost of for the most part was around 11 cents in truly beyond 4 months. Which generally shows that Chilliz basically is somewhere around 42.97%, with the certainly most extreme sort of typical cost of the coin, in a real sense was around 11 cents, and that by and large least truly normal cost of basically was around 11 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz value gauge 2023 facts, what will sort of be Chilliz truly worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The CHZ cost generally is determined to for the most part arrive at a very greatest degree of $0.097, with kind of least cost of $0.088 toward the finish of 2023, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Does Chilliz really have a future? Certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. As far as value, Chilliz in a real sense has an extraordinary extremely potential to arrive at new levels, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking.